Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I'm an ardent fan of rose flavor and I've made several recipes before using rose syrup. They've turned out really well for me as well as so many of my viewers. So today I'm back with another beautiful drink made with rose syrup and almonds. It's called Badam Rose Sharbat and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's get started and check it out. First, I'm going to soak the basil seeds, that is the Sabja seeds. Take 1 teaspoon of the basil seeds to a cup, pour enough water and let it soak for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, keep this aside. I've taken about 15 almonds and soaked it in water. You can see they've all plumped up. Peel off the skin and keep this aside. To the mixer jar, add the almonds, add about 2 teaspoons of sugar, add a little milk and grind everything to a nice fine paste. Now the almond paste is done, keep this aside. To a saucepan, add about 1 liter of full cream milk. Now this is already boiled milk. To make the milk all the more rich and creamy, I'm adding the almond paste. This is the badam paste. Once you've added the almond paste, mix that in. Using a whisk will be very helpful. So now I'm adding the rose syrup. You can add about 3 to 4 tablespoons according to your taste. Since the rose syrup is already very sweet, I'm not adding any extra sugar, but you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Once that's done, add the cooked sabudana, that is the sago pearls. So add the sago pearls and mix everything well. Turn off the stove and cool the rose milk completely. Once the rose milk is completely cooled down, add the soaked sabja seeds, that is the basil seeds, and mix everything well. The rose sharbat is coming together so beautifully. So you can serve it nice and chilled in some nice tall glasses. I'm just garnishing it with some pistachios, almonds, and some rose petals. This is a wonderful and refreshing drink, perfect for the summers. And those of you who love the flavor of rose will absolutely enjoy this. You can make this ahead of time and refrigerate it for up to 1 or 2 days. If you want, you can also add a few ice cubes and serve it nice and chilled. I'll give you a couple of links to the other drink recipes I've made. You can check them out as well. All the ingredients used in this particular drink like basil seeds and sabudana is very good for maintaining our body temperatures. So you can enjoy this drink not only in summers but anytime you want. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.